Hello guys, welcome to another video of my channel, and today we are back in Please Donate. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to get a buff for free, because this is the starter one, the one that you just see when you first get in. But if I move my thing a little bit, I also got this one. I'm gonna show you how to actually get it completely for free, and it's also easy. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, you gotta search Uno Official, and when you find this, you are now in this game. Recommend you for this doing a private server. As you can see, it's free at the time of recording this, so I recommend you creating one, or if not, you can just get in a public one. Now I'm gonna show you what you gotta do inside. Okay, when you enter, you're left with this: play, settings, leaderboard, credits. So you click play, solo, create, and this is very important. You have to go down and click please donate. So you click choose. When you select please donate, you click create match, you leave it like that, and then this is also important. We remove the two searching spots and you only leave one bot. That's also important. Then you click start, starting in 3, 2, 1. Now you just got a win, and I will be right back when I win the match. Okay, now I'm back. As you can see, I won the match, the game, I guess you can call it. So since for you it would be the first time you won, you will get a badge. So now you click leave, you're back here, and now check your profile when it loads. And it's very important, since you see this badges, an official please donate deck. So that's important. When you see this, when you already have it, go back to please donate. Okay, when you're back in please donate, just go to your booth, click settings, and you just kind of move to the side and you should have your booth for free. I hope this tutorial helped you, and that it instant helped you get some more Robux. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. So, goodbye.